I love the beautiful mornings here. The gentle breeze, just so refreshing. The blue skies, the little wisp of clouds that you see, and taking time to just be outside in God's creation, the universe creation, the nature, and taking time to also do grounding. So, grounding has been around for a long time. The indigenous peoples have done it throughout the world forever. And it's where you are standing on the ground, barefoot, and you are taking in the energy of the earth and you are letting go. So as you breathe in the energy that Mother Nature is giving you. As you breathe out, let go of any stress, any worries. Let that go out through the bottoms of your feet and take in the energy, caring, loving, supportive. Take time to be outside. Take time for grounding. It's really healthy for you. Take care.